I, Brigadier Theophilus Danjuma, being appointed a member of the Supreme Military Council, swear that I will not directly or indirectly reveal such matters as shall be debated in the council, in the said council, and committed to my secrecy. So help me God.
Michael Ayinde Adelanwa, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution, so help me God.
I, Captain Olufemi Olumide, being appointed a member of the Supreme Military Council, swear that I will not directly or indirectly reveal such matters as shall be debated in the said council and committed to my secrecy. So help me God. By the timely intervention of the armed forces, the people of Nigeria have another opportunity to start again in the task of rebuilding the nation. This is the challenge before the Supreme Military Council and all of us here present. We have such an urgent task before us that we must start business at once. You will recall that I promised the nation that we would set up panels on the creation of new states and the future of the federal capital. This we must do without delay.